Magdala Lusant joins us now in the studio. Magdala, what are law students saying about this?
Sherry, Guy, it's the first day of the nomination hearing. There's a lot of excitement for Supreme Court nominee Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson. A law student at Samford University is one of them. Tyler Yarborough hopes Jackson's nomination is the start to seeing more diversity in the nation's highest court.
I really like being in the courtroom.
Samford University law student Tyler Yarborough is one of many in awe watching Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson take her seat to be considered as a U.S. Supreme Court judge.
It's hard to believe that in over 200 years that we've had a Supreme Court, there has not been any black females. So this just speaks volumes about, to me, where our nation is going and where we can go.
The nomination speaks volumes on Samford's campus, too. As a member of several government and law organizations, Yarborough says it's the most diverse some groups have been.
I also think that with Ketanji being nominated, it is very representative of what we're trying to do here as well in increasing our diversity.
1, 2, 3, 4, confirm her!
State Representative Wanda Lingavan and several women organizations are in D.C. rooting for Judge Jackson, who comes with nearly a decade of experience behind the federal bench.
Out of all of the judges, she's probably more qualified than anyone to sit who has ever served on the Supreme Court of the United States of America.
Judge Jackson's nomination as the first black woman will continue to inspire Yarborough and the younger generation of black girls behind her.
I think it just gives them more motivation and it allows them to keep working hard, because the more people that you see like you, the more you're going to be able to want to do that too.
Over the next 2 days, Judge Jackson will be asked questions from senators. The university, I'm told, is making plans to have the nomination hearing available for students to watch on campus. Back to you.